babies?
Hey babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ari back again with another lit video. So baby, we are in Vlogmas day 12. Welcome to another video. So yeah, I've been sleeping. I just woke up because it's currently late. We are in midnight, and me and AJ, we just need to bring out, like, we just need to drop all the decoration for the birthday, for my mama's celebrations. And yeah, so that is what we want to do now. My hair is pretty old, that's why I'm putting on a scarf, because AJ refused to make my hair. So
no, I did not.
She did.
Mine is old as well. The clippings are falling off. That was why I did this too.
Mine's better. All right, so babies, we just need to take down every decor right now and just repair the downstairs. Our room is looking all crazy. You don't even want to see that right now. So we just need to take down these and see what we can do. So yeah, let's just get into today's video. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new video. So let me show you around and see what we want to take down. So this is what she's giving. Everything is still up, all the money, all the gifts, everything is still here. And then we have our favorite channel on Food Network, and the Christmas tree. We put on the Christmas tree to give the house a Christmas spirit for the birthday. So we're taking it down here. Oh no, we just need to do the unboxing. I was a YouTuber, so yeah. And the decoration, we're here to decorate every single bit of it. We just put it on for with the bracelet. Give it. Nice one. Giving a pictures and a code, and it's a mug. I can't wait to use this for my coffee. Wow, this is pretty. Okay, now something is wrong. Wow, she brought drinks. Yeah, I know she likes to do, like, she has this kind of attendant mixture, even if she does not have it. Now they wrote something on this: wishing you a fabulous 60th birthday. May this milestone be a time of reflection, gratitude, and celebration for all the blessings of life. Lord, we love you. This is pretty. I I love this mug so much. For singing. She loves to sing a lot. So she got a towel, customized towel for herself, purple color. I have a lot of money.
No, it's not for you.
Anything that's for us for me.
So say you. These are the dummies. Oh my god, there are a lot. So we have like the biggest one in the kitchen, but didn't actually use that one. So these are the dummies we used.
Okay, the money.
Made from a straw board, actually. So we just want to pick up the ones on the floor. Y'all, I'm thinking of keeping this ribbons. Like, I don't know what we're gonna use it for, because I just feel like bad throwing this away, because we bought it with a lot of money. Like, not a lot of money though, but then I don't like throwing things away. So these are the gifts. Okay, now I already say we're turning away, and that's fine. So these are the gifts, and this is the money. You got tons, so let's.
Miss Christmas, Miss Holiday.
Y'all, what you guys think? What you go? What you go? What you go? What you go? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Light of the world will step down into darkness. Open my heart, let me see.
Oh, here I am to worship.
Here I am to bow down.
Here I am to say that you're my God. Because I'm good.
What's good?
Hey? I understand how you feel.
About what?
About how good you are. Singing.
Now let's take that off. Rip the tree. Rip the tree. Rip the tree. Boo-hoo. Y'all, you guys never saw this. Actually, you never saw the tree. Okay? Can you keep a secret? Secret. So this is our little secret, y'all. You never saw the tree, and we never put. Now you can go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, girl. Say, go ahead, go. Say, go ahead, go. Go ahead, go. Go ahead, go. She said, y'all, she always says she's tall, so we're about to see how tall she is. Let her remove the appy without climbing in a chair. She has to do that because she says she's taller than me. So if she doesn't remove the appy without climbing a chair, then she is not taller than me. But obviously she is not. That's the secret. She's not taller than me. We are even.
So now it is arranging moment, so let's go. cooking show is the best. And ever since we've been watching this, we've got like literally everything for baking, and we've not even baked once.
Last cheers.
So that is all for our mini reset after the birthday, and we took down every single thing, and the houses gave it. So we did couch resetting too. So I'm just there eating my chicken feet because I had so much fun and I'm pretty tired. This is already 4:28 a.m. in the morning, and right now I want to go and shower and just go to bed. We finished day 12 of our vlogmas, and I had fun with AJ. So I know y'all love my vlog that I used to do with her. So this holiday, since we're done with the birthday, so we are going to be doing joint vlog together most of the time. So babies, that is all for this vlog. I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Comment your favorite part of this video. So babies, before we leave, don't forget to be you, don't forget to be real, don't forget to be authentic. I'll see y'all babies in my next video. I just want to sit back and finish my drink before going to bed. Bye babies.